Thank you for being with me today. I'm truly excited to offer this course, Lands and Humans in World Cultures. This theme has fascinated me for a long time. I first offered this course in one credit, in the form of one credit in the spring 2018. And since then, I expanded the course materials quite substantially. And I also converted it into an online and more precisely hybrid course. The interactions between lands and humans are so diverse and varies widely between cultures, and also has long histories. So I found there's no way to put everything into a one credit course. And second, the theme requires diverse perspectives. And by offering this course in the format of online, I was hoping to draw students from diverse backgrounds. Of course, lands are indispensable to us. Lands are indispensable. We cannot say, however, we are indispensable to lands. And still, we can say this for sure. In understanding the lands as we find them on the present-day Earth, and knowing what humans are and what humans have done to the lands are essential. And our goal in this course is to better understand this interdependency between land systems and human systems, and understand how different human cultures have created unique interdependencies. Lands and humans do interact. Now, however, each has its own dynamics, and physical, biological, and chemical processes and constantly shape land systems. Likewise, human systems continue to reinvent themselves within their unique cultural, economical, and socio-political environments. These feedbacks change over time. And what we see in front of our eyes are the products of the past and are in the process of changing toward the future. And I want to maintain that historical perspective to better understanding the diverse interdependencies of lands and human systems in different cultures of the world. We'll visit different places in the world, and here are 3 examples which we will dig into later. Now, for example, in the next week, we will learn about the practice, agricultural calendar, and the scientific basis of shifting agriculture in Nagaland, Eastern Himalaya. And shifting cultivation has been blamed for destroying the tropical rainforest. But then, how do we explain that much of prime tropical forest, which we used to believe as primary virgin forest, are actually secondary forest? And this topic will then lead us to question how tropical environments differ sharply from the rest of the world when it comes to land uses. Now, one more example. You probably hear about the enthusiasm for non-till agriculture. Then how did our ancestors bother to till the land to begin with? Was it a silly idea, or was it a truly remarkable invention? And how did it change the human societies in the past? And we'll try to address these questions by examining the medieval Northern Europe. Last example. While with climate rapidly warming up, the Arctic sea pass will open eventually, very soon, in decades in the future. And people will move in. And how are we going to feed those people? As we do, they would also want to consume locally grown foods. Then what do we know about the farming the Arctic? And what do our past experience tell us about it? And what will be the consequences? In offering this course, and I'd like to thank the Institute for Advanced Study, where I was hosted as a residential fellow in the fall of 2015. My time there really encouraged me to think hard about the humans and how humans have affected and have been affected by the lands. I also appreciate the support from the university library. In the spring 2019, a team of 8 librarians led by Maria Giandia and helped me to locate much of the reading materials in this interdisciplinary course. And thank you again for being with me. And I welcome you to ESPM 3051. I really look forward to exploring this fascinating theme with you all through this semester. Thank you.